When you have your leftover rice, all you have to do is find 2 eggs. And I will make a big breakfast and I nah give nobody none. Watch.
I have 3 slices of bread and my cornbread. They are toast.
A teaspoon of oil in the pot. Beat up your 1 egg and fry it for your sandwich. Season up your egg, see it there, egg done. Ready. Sandwich, I got nice. Beat up the next egg, put it in the pot. Egg is in the pot, put in the rice. Mix it up well, add your powder seasoning. Stir it in well, breakfast ready. Me Joe plum juice with my breakfast, me now share it. Daddy, leave my